Good morning, Lily. I'm Dr. Johnson. How are you feeling?
Good morning, doctor. I've had a really bad headache since this morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
I'm not sure, doctor. My headache started when I woke up this morning.
I understand. Did the pain come on suddenly?
Yes, doctor. It started as soon as I woke up.
Have you eaten anything today?
I tried to eat breakfast, but I wasn't hungry.
Did you drink any water this morning?
Yes, doctor. I drank a little water, but not very much.
Have you had a fever, dizziness, or nausea?
I've felt a little dizzy, but I haven't had a fever or thrown up.
All right. Let me check your temperature and blood pressure.
Okay, doctor.
Your temperature is a little high, but your blood pressure is normal.
Oh, I see. Is it serious, doctor?
I don't think so. It looks like you may have a viral illness.
I see, doctor. What should I do to feel better?
Get plenty of rest, drink lots of water, and eat light, healthy meals. I'll also prescribe some medicine to help with your fever and headache.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
Hi, Lily. How did your appointment go? What did the doctor say?
Hi, Mom. The doctor said I have a viral illness. He told me to get plenty of rest, drink lots of water, and take my medicine. I'm glad you went to see the doctor. Make sure you follow his advice. I know, Mom. Thank you for making me go. You're welcome, sweetheart. Your health always comes first. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna head home now. Good. I'm making your favorite chicken soup right now. Thank you so much, Mom. I really appreciate it. I love you, sweetheart. Feel better soon. I love you too, Mom. See you soon. Bye.
Lily, is your headache any better?
Yes, Mom. It's getting a little better. Did you take your medicine? Yes, Mom. I took it about an hour ago. Have you been drinking plenty of water?
Yes, Mom. I've been drinking a lot of water.
Now come to the kitchen. I made your favorite chicken soup.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
Okay, Lily. Go lie down and get some rest. I'll bring you some chicken soup. Okay, Mom.
Eat slowly while it's still warm.
Thanks, Mom. It smells delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Finish your soup, then go get some rest. Okay, Mom. I will.
Good evening, sweetheart. How are you feeling now?
Good evening, Mom. I think I'm feeling a little better.
That's good to hear. Is your headache getting better?
Yes,
It's much better than it was this morning. That's a relief. Do you still feel dizzy?
just a little.
But I feel much better now. I'm glad to hear that. Did you get enough sleep?
Yes, I slept for a few hours, and I feel much better now.
That's great. Did you take your medicine when you woke up?
Yes, Mom. I took it with some water.
Okay, sweetheart. Get some more rest. Let me know if you need anything.
I will, Mom. Thank you.
Hello, Lily. How are you feeling this evening?
Hello, Grandma. I'm feeling a little better now. Thanks for calling.
I'm so glad to hear that. I hope you'll be feeling completely better soon.
Thank you, Grandma. I hope so too.
Did you take your medicine this evening?
Yes, Grandma. I took it after dinner.
That's good, Lily. Are you still drinking plenty of water?
Yes, Grandma. I've been drinking plenty of water all day.
Get some more rest, sweetheart. I'll call you again tomorrow.
Okay, Grandma. Thanks for checking on me.
You're welcome, sweetheart. I love you. Sleep well.
I love you too, Grandma. Good night.
Hi, Lily. Are you feeling any better tonight?
Yes, Dad. I'm feeling much better than I was this morning.
That's wonderful to hear. Is your headache almost gone?
Yes. It's much better now. I just have a little headache.
I'm glad you're getting better. Did you eat your dinner?
Mom's making dinner for me. I'll eat in a little bit. Okay, Dad. I'll call you after dinner.
Okay, Lily. I'll call you later. Good night. Take care.
Okay, Dad. Good night. I love you.
Lily, how's your dinner?
It's really good, Mom. Thank you for making it.
Lily, are you feeling any better now? Yes, I am. I'm feeling much better.
Don't forget to take your medicine after dinner.
I won't, Mom. I'll take it right after dinner. Good. And drink a full glass of water with it. Okay, Mom. I will. Okay, Lily. Finish your dinner, take your medicine, and then go to bed. Okay, Mom. I will.